Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this XIAOMI smartphone. Firstly, you need to open Clock app, so click, and then click on Agree in the pop-up. Now tap on this clock icon at the top if it's not already on, and add your own alarm by tapping on this plus icon at the bottom. From here you need to set up an hour, and then click on repeat. Now tap on the best option for you. Once, daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can select days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Following that, click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to, and save it by choosing OK. Now you can disable or enable vibrations by clicking on this switcher next to Vibrate when alarm sounds. And finally, click on Ringtone. Then select one of those options like Fireflies, or choose All Ringtones, and tap on Choose Local Ringtone over here. Now you can pick one of those sources and pick music from your smartphone. For example, I will go with File Manager, scroll all the way down, choose Agree and Continue, tap on Allow, and click on this song. When you're ready, click on the check mark at the bottom. If you wish to, you can pick one of those alarms as well by tapping on Apply next to the best one and tapping on OK in the pop-up. If you wish to apply a custom one, you need to choose Apply next to it as well and select OK. Then go back by tapping on the back button twice. Now you need to select Allow in this pop-up and click on this button once again. Finally, click on the check mark at the top right corner. Then select Allow one more time, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can always switch it off by tapping on this switcher next to it and tapping on one of those options. In order to turn it back on, click on the same, now gray one. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, tap on Additional Settings, make your changes, and tap on the check mark again. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, select Delete at the bottom, and now it's gone. Then, to adjust even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose Settings, and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!